How to use 0.5 zoom on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to use the 0.5 zoom feature on your Android phone. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open Camera app on your phone. After that, at the top or middle of the screen, you will see the 1x resolution. You simply need to tap on it. And then you simply need to move the zoom pointer to the left and decrease your zoom level. So currently in my device only 1x resolution is there but not less than that. So if you have got less than 1x, then you can easily look for 0.6 or the lowest zoom level available and then tap on it. After that, you will successfully use the 0.5 zoom feature on your Android phone. So you can easily capture wide-angle photos using this feature. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.